Well, Susan.
A very good afternoon to you. It's all turned a little bit gloomy out there at the moment. There is cloud aplenty. Garden's looking beautiful here in Gloucestershire, but those skies do look pretty ominous. There was some sunshine across the golf course in Fife earlier on this morning. The southeast of Scotland has fared pretty well so far today. But if we take a look at our satellite picture, you'll see why. All the clouds piling in from the west. This band is a warm weather front. Ahead of it is where we've had the best of the breaks in the cloud, but that cloud is now chasing its way eastwards. So increasingly cloudy skies, I think, for eastern Scotland this afternoon. Further west, some rain coming out of that front for Northern Ireland and western Scotland, pushing its way in through the course of the afternoon. We could just pick up as well down towards the southeast. Hard to see them there. Some sharper showers through the afternoon, particularly across Sussex and Kent, some of them rumbling on into the evening. And through the course of the evening and overnight, cloud for all, some more rain for Scotland, clearing Northern Ireland somewhat, pushing into Northern England, Wales and the southwest by the end of the night. A lot of moisture, a lot of humidity. It's going to be pretty misty and murky around the coasts and across the hills throughout Wednesday. Any early brightness will probably best for eastern counties of England. Probably quite short-lived though. The cloud, again, the dominant feature for Wednesday. And our temperatures are held back by a couple of degrees really from where they should be for the time of year. We're talking about high teens, perhaps up to 20 at best. Thursday brings us a slightly better chance of seeing some spells of sunshine, particularly the further south and east you are. But there's a more organised line of cloud you can see trying to get into the northwest here. This is a cold weather front. It will bring some rain into the far northwest of Scotland later in the day. Further south, it's a little warmer than perhaps it will be today. But this front, again, clues in the name, cold front, working its way south, particularly through Friday and on into the weekend, will start to try and pull fresher air in once again. So clearing some of that higher humidity. But ahead of it on Friday, perhaps some of our best temperatures of the week for some spots across England and Wales. We could get up to 25 degrees in the southeast, but much greyer weather towards the northwest thanks to that front encroaching once again. And then through the weekend, it will work its way southwards. Just how quickly it's going to do that is subject to some question. We could just see that front sinks its way south on Saturday. But in the longer term, still our temperatures looking distinctly average and unfortunately, as I said, a lot of cloud for us to contend with. Simon.